Come on, bring it in. All right, everybody, bring it together. We today on Unpacked, we're gonna be taking a look at some ghoulish packaging. Stick with us. So today on Unpacked, we're gonna be taking a look at some special packaging. We usually take a look at some packaging that's maybe got some interesting materials, or it's the way that it's built and how it works, and the experience, maybe the storage, whatever it might be. And today we got a little special episode because it's all about the experience. And this is a special jar of mayonnaise that we have brought together today. That's it's Clam-O-Naise. Clam-O-Naise here is it's actually a packaging for some playing cards. Why? I have no idea. Oh, but it is real clam mayonnaise. And now we are bringing you the unforgettable experience of pulling a sealed pack of 30 all-new cards out of a jar of creamy clam-flavored mayonnaise. I'm not very excited about this one. My team was very excited to force this upon me. So without further ado, let's dig it. In case you already haven't noticed, it is Halloween. And we are opening a jar of clam mayonnaise. All right, we're not really critiquing the sustainability of this packaging to date. We are, or how annoying it is to peel that seal off. None of that matters today, or the fact that there's 2 seals, and they're gonna make me keep working for this. I'm very unexcited about this. This is not gonna be good. You guys, I'm legit disgusted. Now apparently all you need to do is reach your hand upon in this here jar of mayonnaise and pull out said deck of cards if you like reaching your hand into jars of mayonnaise. There are the cards. This is... I did it. So I've never had packaging make me. Oh, smell. I'm not kidding. It smells horrible. Usually, packaging is going for a positive experience. This one's going for a memorable one. I actually threw up a little bit in my mouth. This is not what I was expecting. I was expecting just a gross pull it out experience. That smell combined with that pasty material was a little more than I bargained for. And so we're gonna try to get this cleaned up the rest of the way and finish this out. It has made this entire room smell very much bad. This is not what I would call a pleasant experience. It still smells pretty bad in here, but it's manageable. I didn't see that coming. So, after all this, we've got, are you kidding me? We have a slimy sealed pack of cards that I cannot open with my hands. Oh, congratulations. You've just won a Clam-O prize. Is it a pearl, is it a car, is it a clam-themed vacation? Scan your code to find out. I'll scan this here card deck in a second, but I have successfully extracted my pack of cards from this here jar of clam mayonnaise. All right, so I am going to give this here jar of Clam-O-Naise an A+ for memorability, an F- for smell, and a solid question mark for experience. And about this here moment of Unpacked, I will choose to have a goldfish memory. Thanks for watching.
You know, they say some things are best enjoyed with friends. And so, gathered a few of the team around here today. Just wanted to share this with the team because I enjoyed it so thoroughly this morning. So, team.
Oh, don't let I'm covered in clammy.
James like crying.
Eat it.
No.
Yeah, that's...
Oh.
Oh, there's nothing in there.
Take my strong hand, Chad.
Cool. Yeah.
Yeah, nothing in there.
I can smell it.
Do it, Jim.
Taking it up. Oh, we got some run over. Like, oh, is that a Whopper? Listen here, kids. It's not good.
You keep going back for more.
It's delicious.